Open your browser and head to the Vercel dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see your team name. If you're deploying to a personal account, you're all set. If you're on a team, click the Team Switcher dropdown and select the right team. Look to the top right corner and click the Add New button. From the dropdown that appears, select Project. You'll be taken to the Import Git repository screen, where you'll see your connected repositories. If this is your first time connecting a repository to Vercel, you'll need to authorize access. Click the Authorization button and follow the prompts to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Choose either all repositories or specific ones. If you've already connected your Git provider, you can skip this step. Find your Turborepo repository in the list. To the right of its name, you'll see an Import button. Click that. This takes you to the Configure Project page. You need to tell Vercel which app in your monorepo you want to deploy. Find the root directory setting and click the Edit button next to it. A file browser will open showing your monorepo structure. Navigate to the specific app folder you want to deploy, typically something like apps-wed or apps-dashed. Select it and confirm. Once that's set, check the Framework Preset dropdown just below. Vercel should auto-detect your framework. You'll see something like Next.js, Vite, or SvelteKit displayed. If it's wrong, use the dropdown to select the correct one. Scroll down to the Build and Output Settings section. Vercel will have pre-filled the build command, output directory, and install command based on the framework it detected. The defaults are usually fine. Turborepo is available globally on Vercel, so you don't need it as a dependency. If you need to customize anything, you can edit these fields now. If your app uses environment variables, scroll down to the Environment Variables section. Add each variable by entering the key and value, then select which environments it applies to: production, preview, or development. Scroll to the bottom and click the Deploy button. You'll be redirected to the deployment progress page where you can watch the build logs in real time. You'll see Turborepo executing tasks, and after a minute or two, you'll get a build completed or deployment ready message. When deployment finishes, you'll see your live URL displayed on the page. Tips. If you have multiple apps in your Turborepo, like both a web app and a doc site, you'll need to repeat this process for each one, creating a separate Vercel project for each directory. Future pushes to your Git repository will automatically trigger new deployments with Turborepo's remote caching enabled, so your builds will get faster over time. To see information about remote cache usage, go to the Artifacts section in the Usage sidebar of your project.